Welcome to Webgility Recap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the process of connecting your Amazon store to your Webgility desktop software. If you've already connected a store previously, you'll want to go to Integrations, Stores, and then Add a new store. If you're logging into the software for the first time, however, this screen should pop up automatically for you. The next step is to select a store from the dropdown, in this case Amazon, and then give your store a name. Store name is only important if you have more than one store or are looking to keep track of which store you're currently in. In this case, my Amazon store will work for now. Once you select your store and name, go ahead and hit continue. You should see a browser window pop up automatically for you. In this case, I'm already logged in, so it's taken me to the request for access. But if you have not logged in already, you should be taken to a screen to enter your login credentials. Once you reach this screen, you should be able to just scroll down to the very bottom and give access to Webgility to get all the information that we need from Amazon. Once you've hit the checkbox, go ahead and hit confirm. And after a couple seconds, you should see this message at the top left saying that you're successfully connected. You can go ahead and exit out of the browser window and you'll be brought back to Webgility with a similar message saying that you're successfully connected. After hitting OK, you should see that your order statuses down here are downloaded, and you've got a couple options up here towards the top. The main one that you want to be aware of is that if you are using Fulfilled by Amazon or Amazon Fulfillment, you'll want to select Enable Fulfillment by Amazon. Once you hit continue, you'll be taken to a screen to enter various business information. In this case, you want to enter anything that would be printed on a shipping label for your business's location. Once you've entered this information, go ahead and hit continue, and you'll be brought to the next and final step for connection, which is connecting your accounting software. But for now, that should be it. This should get you started in connecting your Amazon account. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.